Gas ranges in 2024 are all about making cooking cooler and way easier. Imagine whipping up your favorite meals with a stove that's not just about flames and knobs. The best ones now come with smart tech. Think controlling your stove from your phone or getting reminders when it's time to check the oven. Plus, they heat up super fast and keep the temperature just right, so everything from a quick boil to a slow simmer is a no-brainer. So what's it gonna be for you? Going all in on a stove that feels like it's from the future with its smart features, or sticking with one that nails the basics every time? Make sure to follow our links because they guarantee the best results. With that said, let's dive into the best gas ranges on the 2024 market. Number 6. GE JGBS30RETSS Best Budget Gas Range. Looking for a gas range that's easy on the wallet but still packs a punch? The GE JGBS30RETSS is your kitchen's new best friend in 2024. It's got everything you need to whip up meals without the fuss or a hefty price tag. First up, those 4 sealed burners are lifesavers. Spills? No problem. They stay right on top, so wiping them away is super quick. And with a roomy 4.8 cubic foot oven, you can cook a whole bunch of food at once. Think of all the pizzas, casseroles, or cookies you could make. The broiler drawer is another cool feature. It gets things crispy and brown just how you like, without any extra gadgets. The stove grates have this sleek black gloss finish too, which not only looks sharp, but is also a cinch to clean. Ever tried cooking something delicate and ended up burning it? The precise simmer burner on this range means you won't have to worry about that. It keeps the heat nice and low, so your sauces and chocolates turn out perfect. And when you need more power, the 13,000 BTU burner has your back, heating things up fast. This GE range is all about getting the job done well without the frills. Number 5. The Samsung NX60A6511SS Best Gas Range for Easy Maintenance. The Samsung NX60A6511SS gas range is a game changer for those who dread kitchen cleanup. This gem stands out for its easy maintenance without skimping on performance. Here's why it's a hit for tidy cooks everywhere. First off, the 5 sealed burners are a dream. Say goodbye to scrubbing hard-to-reach spots, as these burners prevent spills from getting under the cooktop. Cleaning up is a breeze, making your after-dinner routine less of a chore. Plus, the edge-to-edge grates aren't just sleek, they allow you to slide pots and pans easily across the surface without lifting. This means less juggling and more graceful cooking. Now, here's the kicker. It comes with an air fry feature. Crispy fries without the oil splatter? Yes, please. Just note you'll need to grab the air fry tray separately, but it's worth it for healthier, mess-free snacks. The self-clean function is another lifesaver. It saves you from elbow grease by heating up high to turn grease and food remnants into ash that you can simply wipe away. And with convection cooking, not only is your food prepared faster and more evenly, but it also means less time spent in the kitchen and more time enjoying delicious meals. Thumbs up! Number 4. Frigidaire Professional Series PCFG3078AF Best Value Gas Range. The Frigidaire Professional Series PCFG3078AF is basically your kitchen's new best buddy in 2024, giving you a ton of bang for your buck. Here's the lowdown. This model has a big ol' oven, 5.6 cubic feet to be exact. This means you can bake a bunch of stuff at once, and it all comes out evenly cooked thanks to the fancy convection feature. Basically, hot air gets whooshed around, so everything bakes perfectly. On top, you've got 5 burners that do everything from a mega boil to a gentle simmer. The standout? An 18,000 BTU burner that gets water boiling super quick, and a special oval burner that's perfect for a griddle. Pancakes, anyone? There's also a drawer under the oven for extra storage, which is great for hiding away pots and pans. Plus, the whole great setup on top means you can slide heavy pots around without throwing your back out. But wait, there's more. It air fries. Yup, you can get all that crispy goodness without a separate gadget cluttering up your counter. It even comes with a special tray to get you started. Need to bake in a hurry? The quick preheat gets things hot fast. And when it's cleaning time, the steam cleaning feature makes it less of a chore. They throw in a griddle pan too, so you can make a big breakfast right away. And then there's this neat probe that tells you when your food's cooked just right. Number 3. Bosch 800 Series HGI 8056UC Most Versatile Gas Range. The Bosch 800 Series HGI 8056UC is like the reliable friend in your kitchen that knows exactly what you need. It's the most versatile gas range in 2024 for folks who want top-notch cooking without all the fuss. This range sticks to what matters most. Its convection technology means hot air flows all around the oven, so your roast and bakes come out evenly cooked and full of flavor, quicker than you'd expect. With 5 sealed burners, cleanup is a breeze since there's no gap for food spills to sneak into. And the touch controls? They make fiddling with oven settings as easy as swiping on your phone. The design is sleek and low profile, blending beautifully with your kitchen without screaming for attention. But it's not just about looks. This range packs some practical features too. It's got 9 specialized cooking modes, making it a cinch to get the settings right, whether you're baking a pie or broiling fish. The cast iron grates are tough as nails, and the continuous grates make moving pots around simple. And for those who need it, there's proof mode for baking bread, Sabbath mode for those observing, and a kitchen timer to keep track of cooking times. Thumbs up. Number 2. Cafe Professional Series CGY366P4TW2 Best Premium Gas Range. The Cafe Professional Series CGY366P4TW2 is like the superhero of kitchen ranges in 2024. Here's why it's a game changer. This beast comes with 6 burners, each ready to tackle anything you throw at it, from a slow simmer for sauces to a high sear for steaks. It's like having a professional kitchen stove, but cooler. Then there's the oven, huge at 6.2 cubic feet, fitting big pans easily. Whether you're cooking for 2 or throwing a party, this oven can handle it all, thanks to its smart heating and baking modes. Plus, it's got a special temperature probe to make sure your roasts are always spot on. What makes it extra special? This range is smart. With Wi-Fi built in, you can control your oven from your phone using the Smart HQ app. Start preheating your oven on your way home from work, and it's ready to bake when you are. The design is sleek too. The LCD control panel not only looks good, but keeps everything clear, from oven temps to cooking times. And with a special burner that swirls the flame, you get even cooking every time. No more hot spots or uneven pancakes. It's also got a couple of griddle burners for when you're feeling like flipping pancakes or grilling sandwiches, plus powerful boil burners to get water boiling super fast. If you can afford this one, go for it. Number 1. LG LRG L5825F Best Gas Range Overall. The LG LRG L5825F is pretty much the king of gas ranges in 2024, and here's why it's a total game changer in the kitchen. First up, with 5 sealed burners, offering between 5,000 and 20,000 BTUs, this range has got everyone covered, from simmering sauces to searing steaks. And the convenience doesn't stop there. The edge-to-edge continuous cast iron grates make moving heavy pots around as easy as sliding a DM. Now let's talk oven space. With a massive 5.8 cubic foot capacity, you're looking at cooking multiple dishes at once. Hosting a big family dinner or meal prepping for the week? No problem. Plus, the built-in air fry with true convection means you can whip up loads of crispy treats without hogging all your countertop space or soaking everything in oil. Cleaning is usually a drag, but not with this LG beauty. Easy Clean gets your oven sparkling in just 10 minutes for light messes, and there's a self-clean option for the tougher stuff. Also, the print-proof finish on the outside means fingerprints and smudges wipe right off. But here's the coolest part, the Insta-View window. Knock twice, and you can peek inside without letting heat escape. Combine that with the wide view window, and you've got the best seat in the house for watching your culinary creations come to life. Control-wise, the smooth touch glass controls are sleek and responsive. And for the tech-savvy, this range is Wi-Fi enabled and works with the LG ThinQ app. Start your oven remotely, check on your dinner from the couch, or even get inspired with new recipes from popular food apps, all sent directly to your oven. Throw in the Ultra Heat and Super Boil burners for when you need power quickly, and it's clear. The LG LRGL5825F isn't just a gas range, it's the centerpiece of a modern, efficient, and fun kitchen experience. For anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen game in 2024, this LG range is where it's at. That's all for the best gas ranges. We want to know something. Do you give more value to having a double range or the new smart features on models like the LG LRGL5825F? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks.